Hi, I'm Alex from Jacquard Products, and we have just won the Kit of the Year for our Cyanotype kit, which is really a fantastic gift for any artist. It comes with everything you need to make a cyanotype, including brushes, the cyanotype chemicals. There is even a piece of glass in this kit, in addition to the paper and the negative film. So really, the only thing that's not included in the kit is the sun. I'll show you exactly how cyanotype works. These are pieces of paper that I have already coated previously with the cyanotype chemical. It's when you mix these two different together in equal amounts, part A and part B. You coat the paper, let it dry in a dark place, and then you're ready to expose. All I need now is a negative, or even a solid object will work, of course. In this case, we did lace. But here I will print my boss's baby's face here. I'm putting this in this is just a UV light box. These are actually really affordable now. You can get a UV lamp for around $20. A few years ago it was more like $300. So it's really nice that these are available. From this distance we'll do 3 minutes, and this will print the image on the paper. And then there is a processing step. That step is just to rinse the product with water at the end. So all we need to do is rinse the paper. Most papers can be used. They do need to hold up to water. That's the main thing. The other thing people want to know is what type of paper is best. The more raw the paper, the better. We want something that's very absorbent. So some papers, like mixed media papers and marker papers, have a lot of sizing in them. They're not considered raw, and they're not very absorbent, and the ink stays on top of the paper. This is the opposite of the paper you want. You want your paper to act like a sponge. So something like printmaking paper, drawing paper is usually quite good. Graphite and charcoal papers are great. Things that use markers and inks are less good. So we're actually almost done here already. You can see the beauty of the cyanotype. It's a real Prussian blue. The other big benefit to cyanotype, of course, is that it is actually light fast. So even though it's the oldest kind of photography, we still have some of the original cyanotypes that were first made in the early 1800s. So this is a very robust photographic process that can't be destroyed by light.
Can you only print on paper?
Oh, absolutely. More than paper works. We do paper. We actually sell pre-treated fabric sheets as well. So this is on cotton sateen. The smoother the fiber, the more detailed the photograph will look. But it absolutely will work on even a rough fabric like canvas. People even print on wood. This is a mixed media board that I printed on. So this is actually a clay surface. This is a mixed media clay surface. It's hard as a rock, and it's a panel, but this is a great way to do an underpainting. You can absolutely just paint this in now with color, and it's much better than using a projector, because when you're painting, your hand doesn't get in the way of the image. It's always there on the surface. So this is really cool. All done. At this point, the print looks green and sort of bronzy, and it'll actually almost reverse when we put it in water. But all we need to do to process is simply put it in water. It starts changing immediately, and when all of the green is gone from the white areas, we consider that finished. So this one's already finished. We can hang this up to dry. And you can see already most of the yellow has gone away. So it's really, really fast to process. Now, if I wanted a darker print, I could leave this in a little while longer. That's something you'll get a feel for over time to get a nice, good print. But this looks pretty good. There we go. We're all finished. We've got a little baby on a piece of paper.